Let's go guys! Let's go guys! Thank you po ating Lord for maraming salamat po. Idol boys, thank you so much po ating Lord for maraming salamat po. Idol Army, thank you so much po yan boys. Idol Army, maraming salamat po. Kaya guys, Idol Army, maraming salamat po yan. Maraming salamat po. Idol boys. Salamat po. Idol boys, nag-aasya na guys ha.
Uy, tapos
thank you so much guys. Wala, di ko na mapigilan luha ko sa inyo. Thank you so much guys. Wala po yung MNX, Ate MJ, Ate Isel, maraming salamat po Ate Alin, Ate Alice. Thank you so much po. Wala po yung MNX, Ate MJ, Ate Isel, maraming salamat po Ate Alin, Ate Alice. Thank you so much po. Kinakabahan na. Idol RMC, Idol Single. Thank you so much po Kuya Miko. Thank you so much. Idol RMC, Idol Single. Thank you so much po Kuya Miko. Thank you so much.
wait lang. Huwag ka umiyak.
Ate Mai, thank you so much bro. Kaya ayoko mag-PK talaga. Ate Jonah, thank you so much bro. Ate Mai, thank you so much. Kaya ayoko mag-PK talaga. Ate Mai, thank you so much bro.
May miss din sila.
Idol Boys, sorry pa. Ate Marlene, maraming salamat. Idol Boys, ano po, di ko pa sinakaman. Thank you so much po. Boys, next door, thank you so much. Boss Yam, Ate Cha, thank you so much po. Wala guys, ang dami naman yan.
Next door, thank you so much. Boss Yam, Ate Cha, thank you
Wala,
so much
20
po.
seconds.
Wala guys, ang dami
guys,
naman
maraming
yan.
salamat
Thank
po
you
sa
so
inyo.
much.
Huwag ka
Wala,
umiyak.
20 seconds. Grabe kayo
Kaya
guys,
Idol
maraming
Uncle
salamat
Nico,
po sa
thank you
inyo.
so much po. Wala, pasensya na. Ayaw ko na. Alas na
Idol
pipigil ko na to.
Nico, thank you so much po.
Ate Arjan, Ate
Wala,
MJ,
pasensya na.
thank you
Ayaw
so
ko na.
much.
Alas
Ate
na
Mai,
pipigil ko
maraming
na to.
salamat po.
Hello, hello.
Ate Arjan, Ate MJ, thank you so much. Ate Mai, maraming salamat po. Wala.
Ate Lili, Ate Lili. Ay, grabe.
Ate Lili, Ate Lili,
Lagi
Ate
open mo
Lili.
yung mic ng ano mo, kalaban mo.
Wala, thank you my friend. Sorry. Ayan, congrats to us. Ayan, thank you so much.
Thank you guys sa mga...
Ayan, congrats to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Paano
so
ba to?
much.
Paano ba to?